Hi guys, what's up? What are you all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing. You all are fine and safe. So if you guys are new to my channel or watching this face for the first time, then hi, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder or a request, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, make sure you follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'll be talking to you all about my favorite makeup brushes. Obviously guys, whenever we have to do a makeup, उसके लिए हमको एक अच्छे टूल की जरूरत होती है, like a makeup brushes, makeup sponge and everything. So guys, that is the reason I thought कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक ऐसा वीडियो शेयर करूँ जो मे बी आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. Because guys, right now मार्केट में 10,000 different makeup brushes available है for this purpose, for that purpose and so on. Guys, personally I feel like you really don't have to spend your money on all of those brushes. And also guys, I have kept this brush kit very simple and really minimal and really straight to the point. मैंने इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा brushes को include नहीं किया है. Also guys, this video is going to be so helpful for the people who are beginner, who are teenager or who just started doing makeup and they are planning to invest their money into some of the good makeup too. And guys, all of these brushes are easily available online and offline. And also guys, I have included one or two makeup brushes which are so old, like I have been using them since so long, like since the time when I started doing my makeup. So guys, that is the reason I'm so excited for. Also guys, all of the product link, everything I'll mention in the bottom bar, so you guys can definitely check it out before leaving this video. And one more thing guys, you really don't have to get the same product which I am showing you. This is basically just to give you a reference or overall or all in all idea like what kind of brushes you basically need. Also guys, I'll be putting some of the alternative as well in the bottom bar for you all. Yeah, now without wasting any more further time, let's just get started with the video. So guys, the first brush I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a flat top kabuki brush, and the main purpose to use this brush is to apply a foundation, buff your foundation and blend your foundation. So guys, इसके ब्रिसल्स इतने फाइनली एंड डेंस्ड पैक होते हैं कि ये आपके फाउंडेशन को बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड कर देगा. एंड ये जो इस तरीके से फ्लैट है तो ये मेक श्योर करेगा कि आपके सारे फाउंडेशन अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो. इट वोंट गिव यू एनी स्ट्रिक. एंड आई पर्सनली लाइक टू ब्लेंड माई फाउंडेशन इन अ बफिंग मोशन और इन अ सर्कुलर मोशन. गाइस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट ब्रश दैट आई हैव परचेस्ड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माई मेकअप. आई हैव परचेस्ड दिस ब्रश इन 2016 क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ पे आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लगाऊंगी वहाँ पे ऊपर दिया हुआ है दैट आई हैव परचेस्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट इन 2016. सो या गाइस, ये सिंस दैट टाइम एंड टिल नाउ इट्स वर्किंग अमेजिंगली. एंड मैंने इसको n नंबर ऑफ टाइम वॉश भी कर लिया है, बट इसके ब्रिसल्स अभी भी वैसे ही है. ये उतना ही स्टडी है एंड उतना ही अमेजिंग है टिल नाउ टू यूज इट. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई सजेस्ट यू कि आप एक ऐसे फ्लैट टॉप फाउंडेशन ब्रश में इन्वेस्ट करें. एंड इफ यू गाइज आर फॉलोइंग माई चैनल सिंस बिगनिंग, देन यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट आई एम मोर ऑफ अ ब्रश पर्सन rather than a sponge person, because I personally feel like it is a hassle. उसको गीला करो, उसका पानी स्क्वीज करो एंड देन उसको यूज करो. इंस्टेंट मुझे ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा सॉर्टेड लगती है टू यूज इट. ऑल्सो मैं आपको इसका एक अप क्लोज लुक दे देती हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक लाइक. इसके ब्रिसल कुछ इस तरीके से फाइनली पैक्ड है. ये आपको एक बहुत स्मूथ एंड बहुत फ्लॉलेस फिनिश देगा आपके बेस को. सो यू गाइज शुड डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ ट्राई फॉर दिस ब्रश. So guys, the next brush I have with me, which is this one. So this is a fluffy powder brush and this is from the brand called Miniso and I got it for 250 rupees. Now guys, this is available online and offline. So आपके close to Miniso का store होगा तो आप ये brush वहाँ से easily ले सकते हो. And I think guys, they have changed the packaging. I'm not sure, मैंने Amazon पे देखा था कि इनके पैकेजिंग चेंज हो गए हैं. But I really love using this brush because ये इतना ज़्यादा fluffy है. I wish मैं आपको दिखा पा रही होंगी. और ये इतना ज़्यादा dense भी है और ये perfect amount का powder hold करता है to set your base. Now you guys can use it to set your base. You can pack your compact powder. You can even swirl your powder all over your face. And guys, even I saw that some people use this for another use as well. Like some people use it to just blend their bronzer, contouring and blush. And yeah, so you guys can definitely try this powder brush out because guys, मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा powder brushes देखे हैं which honestly retails for 800 rupees, 900 rupees. But guys, this product retails for 250 rupees. Also guys, इनके foundation brushes भी आते हैं. Even they have eye brushes as well जो 250 to 200 या 300 के रेंज में ही रिटेल करते हैं. सो अगर आप बिगनर हो, टीनेजर हो जो ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं स्पेंड कर सकता ऑन अ मेकअप टूल, एंड गाइज आप कुछ इस तरीके के प्रोडक्ट में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. एंड गाइज दिस प्रोडक्ट वोंट लेट यू डाउन इन एनी केस. एंड गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज सच एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट ऑल टुगेदर. So guys, the next brush I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a angled brush. Now guys, you can use this brush in multiple different ways. This is basically like a versatile kind of product. Now guys, you can use this product to blend your bronzer, to blend your contour. Even you can use this to apply your blush. I mainly like to use this brush to apply my blush and to bronze up my face because this is perfectly angled. तो इस तरीके से angled होता है which guys really sits perfectly onto hollow of your cheek जिससे आप अपने product को easily blend कर सकते हो. So that is the reason I have included this product into this kit because this is such an important brush. Like I personally feel like क्योंकि ये angled है तो ये बहुत सारे चीज़ों में use हो सकता है. You really don't have to get 3 different brushes जो bronzer के लिए अलग हो, contour के लिए अलग हो and blush के लिए अलग हो. आपने अगर यही एक brush ले लिया है तो you are all sorted. By the way guys, I got this brush from Amazon and it was available in set of 10 brushes, but don't worry guys, मैं इसका आपको alternative दे दूंगी, so you really don't have to spend your money on all of those 10 brushes. So this is basically for the reference purpose, like मैं आपको दिखा पाऊँ कि what kind of brushes you need as I mentioned earlier. So you guys can definitely invest your money in this brush. Also guys, ये भी brush मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था. I think in 2017 या 18 में मैंने ये brushes को लिया था and guys since that time मैं आज तक इसे यूज कर रही हूँ. Even I have washed this product like multiple time and still it's the same as new. And guys अगर मैंने इसको wash कर लिया, it gonna be same as a new arrival. Yeah. Now guys, that was it for the base. So guys, I'm going to start off by showing you all the eye makeup brushes. So obviously guys, आपको eye makeup करने के लिए आपको brush की ज़रूरत है ही, no matter what. I think आप शायद अपना base एक बार हाथ से या finger से blend कर लोगे, but आपको eye makeup के लिए तो brushes लगने ही. So now guys, I'm gonna start off with our very first brush, which is this one. This is from the brand called Real Technique and I got this from Nykaa. It was available in set of 2 and honestly guys, मुझे इसका अभी तक कोई proper dupe नहीं मिला है. Guys, this brush is so amazing and ये कुछ आपको 1000 रुपए में 2 ब्रश मिल जाएगा, but any which ways Real Techniques are always so expensive. But guys, there is a brush which is similar to this which is available on Cuffs and Lashes which is owned by Nidhi Katiyar. I'll try to give their link as well क्योंकि उनके पास भी ऐसे ही कुछ brushes है like ये ही shape में. So this is basically like a very deep angled brush, all I can say. This is so good to blend your concealer, so good to apply a primer or eyelid. By the way, this is their RT305 brush and this is called Instapop shade brush. Now guys, again you can use this brush in a multiple way and how I like to use this brush, I like to use this brush to blend my concealer. And guys, इसका shape इतना proper है and इतना amazing है which really helps to reach in the corner of my eyes. Also guys, I apply my eyeshadow primer as well with this brush and ये इतना easily आपके cream product को blend कर देता है. Even you guys can use this brush to for spot correcting as well. This is not something very necessary कि आपको लेना ही है, but अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप लीजिए. But I really like this brush and I personally feel like that कि we should have at least one brush to blend our concealer, तो उसके लिए मैं यही brush यूज करती हूँ. Also guys, it have a unique shape जिससे आप अपने highlighters को भी easily apply कर सकते हो like on the bridge of your nose, on your cheekbones. मैं आपको इसका एक up close look दे देती हूँ. So this is how this brush look like in general and yeah, and guys, this is such an amazing brush honestly, so you guys can definitely check this product out. So guys, the next brush I have with me which is a fluffy blending brush and which is from the brand called Pro Arte. So this is their PE22 brush and you guys, I am a die-hard fan of this brush and guys, I personally feel like that I really don't need any other brushes when I have this. I use this brush to blend my eyeshadow. I really use this brush to pack any eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Guys, इसके bristles इतने ज़्यादा soft है and finely packed है which really helps to blend your shadows really easily. Also guys, it really doesn't take so much of time to blend your eyeshadow, so that is the reason I really love this brush. So guys, this brush retails for around 300 rupees or 375 rupees somewhere. And guys, I got this brush from their Pro Arte's website. They are running 20% off on all of their products, so you guys can definitely check this brush out. So guys, the next brush I have with me which is this one. So this is basically a flat brush. So this is how it look like. So I'll give you the up close looks. Yeah, this is how this brush look like. Now guys, the purpose of this brush is that you can use it to cut your crease. You can even use this to apply any pigment. Just spray it with some makeup fixer और आप कोई भी pigment को अपने eyes पे इससे लगा सकते हो. Even ये इतना ज़्यादा thin है कि आप इससे अपना lower lash line को भी blend कर सकते हो. Even you can use it to smudge any eyeshadows under your eyes. And I personally feel like this is the kind of brush which is so important when you do a eye makeup. Also आप इससे अपने inner corner को भी highlight कर सकते हो. आप इस brush को ज़रूर try out कीजिए. Again guys, I got this brush from Amazon and it was available in set of 12 or 15, but I will give you the alternate of this. And but guys, the set of this brush is so affordable. It is like 450 rupees or somewhere around that, जिसमें आपको 15 brushes मिलेंगे, 15 different type के brushes मिलेंगे. If you are willing to spend your money on that kit, then go for it because they are amazing. So guys, here we came to the end of our video, and the last brush we have is this one. So this is again from the brand called ProArte. By the way guys, I'm a big fan of ProArte. Like, I can choose ProArte over anything. Guys, everything about ProArte is so amazing. So coming back to this product, so this is their pencil brush and this is their PE58 brush. Basically guys, this is a pencil brush and this brush is so good. Like, how do I say, I am someone who really love to smudge my lower lash line. Guys, what I personally like to do, I just apply a kajal like on my waterline, and guys with this pencil brush I just blend it out and it gives me such a amazing soft and smoky look. So that is the reason I really like this brush, and मैंने इसको purposely इस kit में include किया है because I think a pencil brush is so important in any of the eye makeup kit. And guys, because they are something which you can again use it in a multi-purpose way. And guys, again you can use this brush in a 10 multiple way. Like, you can use it to smudge your eyeliner, even you can use it to apply a highlighter on your inner corner, even you can use it to pack any pigmented eyeshadow on your crease, and then कोई भी दूसरे ब्रश से लेके आप उसको blend out कर सकते हो. And guys, आप इस तरीके के प्रोडक्ट में ज़रूर इन्वेस्ट कीजिए because this is something which really worth your money. So yeah, I feel like, and this is such an amazing product. I know मैं इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but guys this actually deserve तारीफ because this is such an amazing product. And guys, here I have one last thing for you all. Guys, this is not a tool but it is like a storage for your makeup tool, which is this one. So guys, this is a leather makeup brush holder. Obviously अगर आपने कोई टूल लिया है तो आप उसको स्टोर करने के लिए आपको कुछ तो चाहिए. So मेरे पास ये प्रोडक्ट है जो मैंने Amazon से लिया था, and guys this is really inexpensive. It was for around 300 rupees, and आप इसमें easily 8 से 9 मेकअप ब्रशेस रख सकते हो. ये थोड़ा छोटा साइज का है, it's not that big. मैं आपको यहाँ से बता देती हूँ, ये मेरे पाम के साइज का, पाम के भी पूरे साइज का नहीं है. It is even smaller than my palm size. But guys, this product is so good. You can use this product to store your makeup brushes and makeup tools. And so yeah guys, here we complete our video. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative. And if you really did so, then you know what you have to do. Just hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Do let me know in my comment section what you feel about this video. And now guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care and see you soon. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. It's not gonna cost you anything, just a tap button. And yeah, I love you all. Bye, take care, until next time.